They included General Sare. Sare was also part of this group. And General Koreta, then Omure, Bosco, all of those were, they were drunkards. They were womanizers. But we looked them up. Now, these are either children or families or wives of which I trained with the help of Mwalimu Nyerere and Samora Machel. I trained that group in Montepuez, Mozambique, between 1976 and 1978. They included General Sare. Sare was also part of this group. And General Koreta, then Omure, Bosco, all of those they are relatives of those people. They were not a good group, those boys. They were drunkards. They were womanizers. But we looked them up. I looked them up and panobit them into shape. They are the ones who helped me to open the Fronasa on the border with the Tanzanian army. I arrived on the front line in Karagwe, Tanzania here, on the 23rd of December, 1978. And I came with those boys. They had been drinking and all that, but we would lock them up, beat them up. And they are the ones who helped us to build a very powerful force, the Fronasa, because we trained in Tanzania, then crossed the border, trained here. So I'm very glad somebody has recognized them. Thank you so much. Thank you. You can go back. General Mbadi, because he said something, Okuzumura something, but the proverb says, Otejuka Tazumura. That is the proverb. It is to do with the paying bride price, and when you separate